Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead with another moment in the life of the Volfies. Check this out.
Baby mice.
Okay, so you're going to flush them down the toilet, right? And where did you get them?
I found them in my coach in the step. I found 2 more this morning and the dogs got one yesterday. But no, I'm not going to flush them. I'm going to put them outside and
you do realize they're going to grow up and
yeah.
They're going to come back and bring a bazillion relatives to the nice man who brought them into the house that smells like food. You see that? Look at you little friggers.
We found
Come on, you.
Yeah, you found them all right up in there.
Where'd the other one go that fell?
He's down by the bag.
Come on, get your buddy. Come on, you little bugger.
Look at him.
Bold as brass. Howie,
Covered in it.
we got mice.
Yeah, we've always had
They're
mice.
falling out of the walls.
Well, I don't kill for no reason and I have no reason to kill them. So
Do me a favor then.
They're going across the street. Don't
Thank
worry
you very much. You know you're a big softy, eh?
about it. Yeah.
He's such a softy. I'm sorry. I don't like mice. I'd have flushed them down the toilet. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying, that is the man I love and the man I married. Take care, God.